So here we are, after checking out my thesis at New Vic today. Look at my beta stats from the UVic website. Here we have hot cities. Oh yeah, Menlo Park. I think those are the servers. I don't know. That makes much sense. And top 10 countries. Here we go. 42 in Germany. Got 5 in Peru. Usually, it's still popular in Canada. And if we look at the dates and the numbers over the years, going back to 2019, you'll find it popular in June of 2020, after this began. September 2020, what happened then? That was post CERN cold startup. Unscheduled cold startup. 13th December, that's when I left Calgary. I started doing Catch Law. 12 in February, which is when I went to Central America. And 14 here. June 14th. June 20. What was it? June 22. That doesn't really rhyme with it. Oh, yeah, that's after my claim. Right? After I filed my claim. And then here, March 20, 23. I got 18 after 3 in February.